Hey y'all, real quick, I just wanted to walk you through our post-construction cleanup process. It's nothing anything, real tricky, but I know I struggled with it a good bit when I was first getting started with it, so I figured I'd share how we do it now. But these are two driveways we just cleaned, as you can see. Actually, that might have been cleaned recently by me. But this is what they typically look like when we show up, just covered in clay. Typically what we'll do is we will wand this real lightly, not anything heavy, but we just want to knock all of that super nasty, clay buildup off. After that, we'll take our 8 gallon a minute and we'll downstream muriatic acid on here. Muriatic is real cheap. I think it's like $10 a gallon. We just did 1, 2, 3 driveways and I used just over a gallon of muriatic. So I think it's like $20 for a 2-pack like this. So all in, we use $10 worth of Kim on this. As you can see, they turned out great though. Looking like a brand new driveway. Another thing we do, our foreman has requested we pop sheetrock off inside here. So we pop most of it off and then we go around the baseline here. There's always a ton of, yeah, I'll see. Right there, I missed some, but you can see there's always a ton of sheetrock dust on there. We blast that off. He's warned that if any gets on the drywall, it's not our fault. Take care in here too, muriatic treat all this. You want a muriatic after you wand, because we found if you just apply straight muriatic, it's not gonna get down into that deeper stuff. So we typically will wand all the deeper, all the surface level stuff off. I was surface cleaning it for a while, but I think wanding it makes it go just a little bit quicker. Then we come through afterwards with our surface cleaner. You wanna be at about 1500 PSI, no more than that. And we just surface clean it, rinse it off. Turns out really well. Any oil stains, anything like that, we'll treat with some double eagle or some other kind of degreaser or whatnot to try to get that up. Never perfect, but they always look much better in the end. So that's our process. Just figured I'd share it with you guys real quick. I was here for about 2.5 hours for these 3 driveways. We typically get about $200, or actually we do get $200 a driveway. If we add anything like rinsing down, you can see the side of the house here are covered in clay. If we add, a rinse down on the house, we'll never put bleach on these because they are brand new. Most of them are Sherwin-Williams paints and whatnot. But if we ever add that, another, $200 for that, that's real quick. But I've been here for just over 2.5 hours now, and we did 3 driveways. So that's over $200 an hour, man hour for us. Pretty good work. It is a lot of last minute stuff. We always have a makeup day Friday though, so I have no problem taking care then most of the time. But I figured I'd share our process with you real quick. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM or something.